Hi guys, today we're going to try to answer one of the most frequently asked questions that we get in the garden centers in the fall, and that is about mums and how to water them. As you can see here, I've got a couple of mums set out, and you can see the different stages of blooms on them. We've got some here starting to bloom. So this is not like buying a hanging basket in the spring to where you take it home and continue to water and fertilize it and it's going to continue to bloom. These are pretty much going to bloom on the buds that you see here. So what you don't want to do is take a watering wand with a shower head like this and water all over the buds here. That is just going to make them age faster and fade, and they're not going to look as pretty as long. Another thing that you don't want to do is you don't want to just water them in one spot, right in the center, or somewhere. You've all seen those mums where they got a hole in them or they start to split. That's what causes that. So what we typically do is we'll take a wand like this, just remove that head from it, and then what you want to do is you want to water them directly over that pot, right inside the pot. You can lift the foliage up, maybe you can see that there, and saturate that soil. So hopefully this helps you enjoy your mums all seasons long and get the most out of them that you can.